How to log in Pinterest account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device. Once you open up the app, you will be able to see this interface. So in the text box, you need to enter your email address associated with your Pinterest account. After that, simply go for continue. And in this section, you can either continue with Facebook or Google, but make sure that if you have created your Pinterest account with Facebook or Google, then only you can continue. Otherwise, you can simply enter your password over here and simply go for login. And right after entering the password, you can see my account has been logged in. So this is how you log in Pinterest account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.